Hey everyone, welcome. We have returned to the New York session and we had some news. So let's dive into what is happening right now. All right. Let me delete some stuff over here. Okay. So now that we're back, we can see that the news actually, well, was it? No, it was not news. Before the New York kill zone, we actually took some sell side at Nasdaq and went up there, took some liquidity, started to drop after the news. This was a tricky one. And the question remains, which one can be the final target? Who knows? I'm still overall bearish on ES. So I'm technically hoping that we could break this low, this significant low down there. That would be great to see. And previous day low was 35, right? It was 35. Yeah. So I like to see that being broken, at least. If we see a nice displacement, might as well just take it. Who knows? All right. All right. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Nothing special for now. So ES is right there. NQ looking to drop. Let's hope it will happen. Hopefully soon. But this is all for now. Tell me what you guys are thinking. Should be okay, I think. I mean, not that I speculate anything, but look at this drop. I just wonder where could be the target for Nasdaq. If it really starts to dump, this is going to take out that 200 level. A little bit weird. What kind of news we have? We're gonna have ISM services PMI at 10. That could be interesting as well. Let's see if we have some movement until then. Okay, NQ is retracing back up. All right. So how is everybody so far? Okay, ES made a new low. And I think we're gonna stuck like this until the market open. So swept the lows here. And now comes the big question. Is it going to take the high again and go up along with NQ? Or is it just gonna stay like this? Mitch K, hey there. Took that sweep on ES high. Nice. Congratulations. So you are sitting in some nice profits, if I understand, but that's a good one. That's awesome. Okay. 1800, nice. Congrats. Let me give you an applause if I have my soundboard ready. There you go. Congratulations. So ES is backing up to, yeah, to 50 to 50-ish area. Let's see if it stays here, or even it can just shift higher here on the 1 minute, which actually I think is happening right now. So oh yeah, it's going higher. Nicely. Nicely. Let me check something real quick. Okay, so this could be a possible long entry on ES. Classic long entry, if I may say so. So let's see. Still holding that level. Okay. That NQ target I mentioned on your stream earlier paid out, but got stopped out. You got stopped out at break even. Oh my god. Oh yeah. You know, this was absolutely crazy after the stream. Look at all this. I mean, it's typical seek and destroy. Like this one here too. I don't like it. I really don't like it. Hold on, I have some connection issue. All right. Refreshing. Morning, Peter. I tried to buy an account using your code on BULENOX and it wouldn't complete the order. Why is it not happening? Hold on. Just a second. Just a second, Peter. It says, let me show you. So this has just been refreshed. The 90%, maybe, so the Tom Sabo 2 and the Tom Sabo 1. So the Tom Sabo 1 is, somebody already used it, but the Tom Sabo 1 is only for option 1 account. On the 25k and the 50k account up to the 100k account. So you cannot buy bigger than 100k account. That's the maximum on the Tom Sabo 1. The Tom Sabo 2, which is up there, which only has 83% discount, you can buy 150k on 50k option 1. What the hell? I mean, it's working. It's working. It should be working. As you see, there is 3 sales already with the code. So someone already bought 3 accounts with the code. I don't know what the hell. Option 1, 50k up to 7 contracts. Interesting. Interesting. Tom Sabo 1, Tom Sabo 2, which is the 83%. Tom Sabo 3 is the 58%, and the 4 is the 45%. I don't know. I wish I could help you here, but it seems like it was working because somebody bought a... actually, there's 3 sales there. So, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe try capital letters. I don't know. When I hit enter, it takes me right back to the payment screen with no errors. Well, maybe later. I'm sorry about that, Peter. I wish I could... I know it could be annoying. I hit enter, it takes me right back to the payment screen with no errors. So when you go to account sign up, you choose the 50k, for example. You type in, I cannot use my own, but if you select between, just make a selection, you know, try to select between some accounts. Okay, just make sure this one is updating. It's not working for me because I can't use my own affiliate code, but make sure you do something like this, and there should be a check mark appearing and the price is changing to 17.5. That's also something that you can try, maybe, you know. Just an option. Just an option. All right. ES is edging higher a little bit. Hold on a second, just a second. Oh, it worked when you changed the code to all capitals and switch to 50. Oh, nice. Oh, well, you're welcome. Huge applause then. It's a little bit of a tricky thing, but thank you for using the code. Thank you so much. So let's see what's going on here. Market open is in about 25 minutes, and we don't really have anything yet. We're gonna have some news. Well, Marcus, I wish I would know. I think we're gonna have some movements maybe after 10 a.m. We have this ISM services PMI. Nothing special there, but maybe we have some movement after that. Until 10 a.m., well, it's pretty much anything can happen, I think. So just be careful, you know. Just be careful. I still stand by my analysis that ES could drop down to that 50 to 33 level. That would be nice, but first it could be repricing up to the 50s, 55, 56, maybe 57, and then drop lower. Not sure. But we'll see. All right. All right. And also Powell's speech, that is gonna be, you know, that is gonna be interesting. Everybody's waiting for the news, basically. So that could be the cause for the market not moving. Actually, we had some good movements, especially around 8 a.m. So this was, for example, on the on Nasdaq. This was a nice liquidity sweep here, and this was also in the kill zone. I mean, look at this. Liquidity sweep, broke structure there, boom, went down. This was actually a beautiful trade here. The only thing with this one is that it was right around the news, but even if you entered after the news, you put right there, still a nice 1 to 2 risk to reward. So, you know, it's not that bad. And we still have some good targets for the day. If you look at it, we are just ranging all day, taking out liquidity on both sides, and just have to wait. Taking out the liquidity on both sides. Okay, copy trading is stopped, which is good because I don't want to copy trade right now. Okay. All right, this is good. This is good. 22 is not working. 23. Okay. Okay. So just have to wait and keep on waiting. Have to stick to your analysis. and wait. All right, all right, all right. Push the like button until we're waiting, and let's hope we will have some movements at the market open. If I look at the big picture, we still have buy side liquidity up there on the 1 hour. We still have buy side liquidity right here. It's this 1 hour candle actually has no wick on Nasdaq, which is always interesting. Could be a possible target if price wants to go higher. So we'll look into that. But the other thing is with ES. I do love this level. We were talking about that yesterday and started to push, didn't really go through. Maybe it wants to go down once more, take out this level, and then go up again. Who knows? But that is something I'm interested in. And NQ can follow it. So let's wait for the move. And my neighbor's dog is barking, so that means that there should be volatility soon. In about 19 minutes. In about 19 minutes, we should be having some volatility. It's a very big dog. It's barking all day. All right. All right. Let me go down to the 1 minute real quick. I want to check something with the divergences here. For example, here. Okay, that was 76. Okay, that was quite a good move. Okay. It went lower. Okay, well, NQ is going lower. And ES too. Not that fast, but it went lower just a bit. So I guess that is something. All right. All right, all right, all right. Let's see. NQ is still going down. And what's the time here? A little bit less than 16 minutes to go until market open. All right, all right. Okay, everyone. Good morning, Mario. Hey, Mario Molina. Good to see you. And huge applause to everyone. Guys, if you want to help out the stream, just push the like and subscribe to the channel. I'm here every day. And we're looking for some good trades. My original analysis for ES, again, is still the same. I'm looking for that sell side at 52.33. Important level from March 20. So hopefully we will get it. And if not, then, you know, we have a plan for Nasdaq as well on the upside, exactly at 347. So we're looking into that too. I mean, the low is not far. It's like 13 handles for ES. I mean, 13, 14. Yeah, I mean, it can do it actually. Wouldn't be such a big deal. All it needs is a little bit of drop down to previous day low. As for the news, everybody's gonna wait for the 10 a.m. ISM services. And at lunch, we're gonna have the good old Powell speech. What is he gonna talk about? Oh yeah, okay. Typical. Typical. So we're just gonna follow NQ dropping. Let's go. ES is going a little bit down again. Still 11 minutes until market open. There's going to be a super loud bell at the open, so guys, get prepared. Until then, I can play some tone, which is absolutely not going to be stressful. Alright, I'm not going to do that. Sorry about that. I just wanted to wake everyone up. That's why I did that. All right. Had my coffee. Now I'm just waiting for this one to finally do something good. Now, if ES fails to go down, I'm definitely going to look for Nasdaq to break those highs above 347. I know it's about 100 points up, but Nasdaq can do it. If some market can do it, it would be Nasdaq. It's easy, super easy, and I think it will do it later on. For now, I'm gonna just wait. All right. Let's wait. Oh, that's all that we do. We're just waiting all day, and nothing is actually happening. Just a waiting game, guys. Those are the levels on ES that really interest me, but let's go look at a higher time frame. All right, let's look at it on a higher time frame. Let's look at this on the daily. So this is the daily. We're pretty much in a consolidation. The question is, I mean, yesterday's low was at 201. So that's why I think we can still take out yesterday's low. And the next level should be right at 18,000. I'm just going to put a marker to 18K. Come on, 18K. All right, the low of this candle was 18,000 and 18,006, which means that it did not quite retest the level there. And that could mean that NQ can just continue to drop to retest the 18K level. Look at that. Which day was it? It was the 15th of March. Wanted to retest it, didn't go through. What if price wants to retest the 18K right now? I mean, that's just a theory. What if price or the market or whatever you want to call it, the algorithm, wants to go down and retest the 18K? What if the market wants to see that level again? That could be a possibility, I think. And it's not far. So I think there is a possibility that we can see those prices. Okay, all right. Let's see. Yes, still looking to go down. Let me know what you guys think. We have liquidity below 52.33. If it breaks down, it has to go and take out the 52.33 level. Even further, 52.26, I can see that happening. But it could be a sharp move. So, yeah, just be careful. And NQ can actually go down to the 200s. It can actually do it. Okay. We'll see. Less than 4 minutes to go. Less than 4 minutes to go. I suggest get some accounts and you know, fire up and let's start something. Let's see. What do we have? What do we have? Dum, da-dum, da-dum, dum. Da-da-da-dum, da-dum. Buckle up some accounts, guys. Black Beauty Machine, hey there. You have the popcorn ready? You got the popcorn ready, I see. I wonder if ES will make that 10 handle drop after market open. I'm wondering. I don't even know which market to watch right now. Less than 1 minute, guys, and yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Get prepared, everyone. Going down to the 1 minute. I'm staying on the 5 minute on ES. There's gonna be a super loud market opening bell in about 30 seconds. I'm warning everyone, cover your ears. It's gonna be very loud. It's gonna last for 12 seconds. So lower your speaker, and that's it. Countdown initiated. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, everything spiked up. So also, I mean, ES went up there real quick. I'm gonna go down to the 5 minute to check it closer. NQ spiked higher. ES is still holding this area. Yesterday's low is at 35. Let's see. If we see a market structure shift, maybe we can try to go long. But if this would all be depending on ES, what it wants to do. Is it want to go higher, push it higher, or is it want to take out that previous low at 35? And below that, the 52.33. Because that's where a lot of liquidity is. If not, then we should be going for the 63s. So get prepared, everyone. This is okay, so it's going up, I think. I'm not sure yet. Not sure. Maybe market wants to wait for the news. Who knows? Let's wait for it. Nasdaq spiked higher, took some liquidity there. I'm watching ES2. It looks like it wants to push higher. As buyers are stepping in. Looking at this on the 5 minute here. At hovering between Nasdaq and ES. ES looks bullish now. I mean, this was quite a push after the open from ES, you know. Not sure if it wants to drop from now on. Now it just feels like they might want to push it higher. Interesting move. Okay, ES made a new high, sweeping some liquidity here. Is it going to push higher? If it will, then we're going for the 52.61. I mean, we have a good chance for it. Now, on the 1 minute, it wasn't a clean structure shift, but it did broke higher. So we still don't know if this is something that is going to happen here. Okay, NQ dropping a little bit here. It could be just a healthy pullback before the push. Let's go to the 1 minute ES. No fair value gap here. So I can actually see the 61, 62 coming out from this. So yeah. No clean entry. Nowhere. Hard to say. Hard to say what ES wants at this point. Took out these highs. I wonder if it's because it just wants to drop again to the 35s. This was a sharp move, but clearly, I mean, could be just a liquidity grab or sweep, but maybe everybody's gonna wait for Powell to speak. Who knows? Who knows? Okay, ES is still hovering here. I think it's ready to take off. I mean, this one is very strong, very bullish, accumulating more positions here and pushing higher. This one can be a bullish continuation here. So, better be careful. Yeah, look at that. It's going. It's going. Although, I don't know what to think of NQ right now. ES is going higher. Powell is going to speak at lunch hour at 12 p.m. 12 p.m. Okay, there you go. ES started to go. Should be pushing higher. So we're not going for that liquidity. If that's the case, then I'm gonna check something here. This one could be a market structure shift as well. On Nasdaq, let's look at the high. High was 57.57. On micros, this was a little bit higher, but I think they're trying to push it once more up there. What a crazy move, right? I'm just wondering, where do they want to push it? I mean, if that's the case up there. Oh my god. No. Where could they push this? Maybe to a new high? I guess so. Maybe. But if not, then that would be interesting too. ES is hovering there. NQ is also hovering. So try to measure some distance and some targets, but there's nothing good I could go for here. Maybe we have to wait until the news to see some clear directions. If you look at NQ on the 1 hour, you can clearly see even here there is no wick up there. Could be pushing higher. I just don't see anything specific on this. I mean, NQ poked the high there, but not sure. Not sure about this. Here we go. Past 150k apex. There you go, Ijas. Congratulations. Nice job there. Nice job there. We're pretty much stuck right now, so I wish I could say I see something different here, but for now, all I see is that everything is stuck. Are we gonna go lower? I don't know. Hard to say what NQ wants or what ES wants in this case. Alistair, news in 2 minutes. Yeah. Let's see what kind of news we have. Oh yeah, final services PMI. Okay. Well, maybe that will give us something to go with. Maybe. That's not sure. NQ started to slip down a little bit, not too much. Now it's going back up there. We have the news. Let's see if we have some kind of a reaction here to the news. Maybe we'll have, I don't know. Hard to tell. ES pushing higher. Okay. ES tried one more push. Buyers are still not that strong. Still there. Feels like for a second that it has some trouble on the buy side, but who knows? Who knows? Next news is in 13 minutes or something like that. NQ is getting weaker now, a little bit, not too much. ES is holding, still looking bullish. I don't know. Hard to tell. Okay, NQ going higher. It's really hard to tell right now. Pushing up again. But ES is still a little bit weak. Bulls are not there. I don't know. Not sure. Not sure how this attempt will go. I mean, ES is getting tired a little bit. That's what I see. So basically no direction, and that could be the case until power is going to speak. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. It can stay like this super easy. ES is getting weaker again. NQ didn't make the push. Interesting. We might have to wait for the news in 10 minutes. So yeah. Okay, one more push, seems like. We're pretty much stuck here. Pretty much stuck here in this area. Yeah, no movement until the news, I think so. Even after that, I think everybody's gonna wait for Powell to start speaking. So feels bullish now, but we're trading under the weave up. So maybe, just maybe, if it wants to target those highs. I mean, look at the 1 hour. We're just wicked out here. I could see targets up there still at 47, but as long as we're not getting information from ES, anything can happen. Not breaking through, not yet. I think it will sooner or later. Joey, hey there. I know a song that is called Going Nowhere. Yeah, third week of chop shit. Yeah, Tom, time for a drink, I think. Yeah, maybe this is absolutely chop city from the get-go, all day today. But I mean, we had some moves here, but overall I don't like this. Pretty much chop city. Wanted to see a clean move to that low on ES. It's clearly not gonna happen right now. So yeah. Still 6 minutes. So what can we do? Pre-market has been better than New York session. Yeah, I mean, the London session so far has somewhat cleaner price action than the New York AM session nowadays used to be like this. Not too good, to say the least. Market was good when they adopt Nvidia, but now they don't touch it. Yeah, exactly. That's the case I'm afraid of. So NQ start to go a little bit higher now, but who knows? If it starts to go up there, what if it breaks the, what's the high here? 320-ish level? It can do that actually. Well, what can we do? Not much. Less than 5 minutes, actually almost 4 until the news. Chop Chop City. Anyway, let's wait for it. Maybe something good will come out of this. I don't know. Especially I'm surprised on ES. I mean, of course we see ES do this a lot, but it's so obvious that it wanted to go lower. Well, I guess this happens. News in 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, let's wait for it. Let's just wait for it. Going down. What a surprise. Okay. Maybe ES will finally does what it should do. But I don't know. Almost news, 10 seconds. Get prepared. Get wrecked. you know, 5 seconds. All right. Still got some. What is this? Wow. Is this going to take out the highs up there? I wonder. Almost managed to take out those highs, but didn't. I wonder if it will. It did? Oh wow, look at this. Oh wow, wow. What just happened? What just happened? Look at this. Wow, wow. This was crazy. This was absolute crazy. If you were to short the VWAP, you'd be doing all right this AM session on NQ. Yeah. Yeah, the VWAP was actually a good place to, you know, hold some shorts from there. What was the news? It was worse than expected. What is this? The survey purchasing managers. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. Well, at least I made a funded account on this spike. Okay. What else we have? Look at this NQ. Wow. Yeah, and there we go. That 47 level that we were talking about earlier. Look at this. Absolute crazy. Absolute craziness here. I definitely think that I have to analyze this day later on after excuse me, after the stream, because you know, this was absolutely like one of those days when you have no idea what's gonna happen. It's still going. It's still up there. What a move. Okay. Unfortunately, no, I didn't. We were eyeballing, by the way, this level. So I put this buy side marker here during the London session, and we were talking about how flat this candle is, and there's no wick up there, so it should be taking some liquidity. And also we were talking about the 15-minute order block at the 400, 399 actually. Morning, McLovin. By the way, guys, if you can push the like button and subscribe to the channel, thank you so much. That would be helpful. Hey there, McLovin, and huge applause for everyone who's here. Okay, let's see. This was an interesting move, that's for sure. Long the 5-minute gap, but took profit too early since I avoid trading. Yeah, I mean, you did right. And this 5-minute gap on NQ, I mean, technically no structure shift, but hey, it turned out good. That's all that matters. And I'm surprised on ES. It betrayed me a little bit. I I was hoping for that sell side liquidity there, but it betrayed me. Now the best target would be the bearish order block at 88, but who knows. Now everybody's gonna wait for Powell, that's for sure. %100% sure. Hey, we all do that, McLovin. They all leave some points on the table at some time. Anyway, I bought a BULENOX account. I wanted to try to YOLO it, but not sure if I want to do it now. I had a loss earlier on the MyFunded Futures account, but fortunately I was able to recoup that loss before the stream. But hey, it is what it is. But at least I made one funded account today at BULENOX, so that's good. Okay, let's just wait. Let's just wait for now. Hey there, Mohammed. How you doing? Had some rest? I hope you're doing okay. We got Powell's speech. Yeah, he's gonna be talking in 1 hour and 49 minutes, I think. No, maybe not. Hold on. Oh yeah, 1 hour, 2 hours actually. 1 hour 58 minutes. Because this is gonna be 12:10 Eastern Standard Time. Yeah. Yeah. So we're gonna have the speech. Get prepared, guys. Okay. Hey there, Colonel Willis. Volatility? Well, not so much, if that's the question. It's not really. If I look at the 1 minute, nothing. If I look at the 15 minute, I'd say that we have a target at 18,397 on Nasdaq, up there as an order block. Otherwise, everything spiked up. So liquidity has been taken. Would be great to have some volatility, but right now they just pulled the plug. Nothing is working, and I think maybe the smart move would be to wait until Powell starts the speech. Oh, the Powell speech, yeah, that should be providing some volatility. So that speech is going to. Is there going to be a press conference? Is there a press conference? No. So no press conference, which means that it's gonna last around 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. And that means we should be having some more volatility in the PM session. Until the lunch hour, I don't really expect too much. The only thing I see here, let me delete this, is this order block high at 415 to be broken, maybe. But that's a big maybe. Let me put a marker right there. So that's a big maybe. And I'm not sure if it will happen. What's the risk here? All right. So maybe it will go. We do not know. The high of this is, so we have a high at exactly 412. 412. Is that the high? Hold on. High of this candle. No, 14.25. 14.25. So I guess we'll see. It can go up to take out that order block, but who knows? At this point, it's just hard to tell. The high of that order block is, yeah, 14. And 388. Point. $400 is up there. Is it gonna go through? I don't know. It can go through easily. Not sure. There is some profit taking on these levels, so be careful, everyone. I think it made a new high. Not sure. ES tried to make a new high, maybe. I don't know. I don't know. All right, seems like we might be heading for that 414 level, which is the 15-minute order block high. So that could be a possible scenario. Man, we're stuck here. We are definitely stuck here. In the middle of nowhere, actually. Anyway, we still have 30% off from My Funded Futures, so go grab it. It's actually a very good opportunity. Have you placed any trades? Yeah, I was long. I mean, I made a loss in the London session. I don't even remember that. Yeah, I tried to go short and it took me out. Anyway, that's a long story. But the other trade I took was a long on a BULENOX account, since there was a sale. So I'm proud to announce that I went full port and on a 50k account, and I made $3,000 on this long here. So this one is funded, but otherwise that's all I did. The My Funded Futures account recovered, but this is the only one I traded after the news. So nothing else. Nothing else. So that's one more funded account at least. Told you, we're going for the 414. And why? Because we have this level up there. Actually, the high of this is 14.25. That's it. How do you know when to long or short for news? I mean, there's a short answer for that and there's a long answer for that. I'm gonna go with both. The short answer is chart time. That's the short answer, chart time. And I'm sitting here every day. I love trading, don't get me wrong, I love trading. I'm sitting here every day since 2022 and on YouTube since a year, and I'm just watching the news, I'm watching the charts, and it was a discretionary trade to enter the news because I saw that price was having trouble and should be taking out the highs. We were also anticipating in the London session this high, so this buy side liquidity at 18,347. We were talking about this level during the London session, that it should be taking it out. If the news fails to sell off, then it should go up. So it was a discretionary entry, not based on any certain rules. And the long explanation is, well, I just told you. So the short answer is chart time. The long answer is that we outlined these levels before. Also, this 15-minute order block too, right here from yesterday, which should be taken out. So in about 10 points, less than 10 points, it should be breaking the 14.25. And that was my explanation to enter along. I saw that it starts to move sharply. I entered and boom. And I was chasing it a little bit, so don't do that. Otherwise, that's it. But I used to watch for divergences too, which didn't really happen this morning. But I'm telling you, yeah, we went through the 414.25 just as we expected it would happen. And I was out around, I don't even know, where was I out? Somewhere here, I don't know. So we took out the targets and we have one more target up there. We were talking about it yesterday. Relative equal highs at 514 up there. I'm not saying it will go up there right now or today, maybe not even during the week, but that is a very, very juicy target up there for price. And as for ES, my analysis was not correct. Absolutely not correct. I was expecting to drop to 52.33. Instead, it went up, took this fair value gap right now. Who knows what's going to happen from here? I think, honestly, nothing is going to happen until Powell is not going to finish the speech. I highly doubt that we're going to have any kind of, major reaction until after the Powell speech. I highly doubt it. So, anyways, until we're waiting, let me tell you the commercial. By the way, thank you everyone for being here, and subscribe and like the channel, like the stream. Also, very good discount codes, because if you use my links and codes, that helps me out quite a bit to be here full time. So my funded futures code is still working. My code is still working on the starter accounts. 30% off, and no activation fee this week on my funded futures on the starters. Also gives you 5% from expert accounts and 20% off from expert account resets. So that's also very good. TOPSTEP gives you an additional 20% discount if you click on my link and register for an account. It gives you an additional 20% discount. And Apex just extended the 80% sale with the 1-day pass, lifetime 80% until the account goes. The BULENOX 90% is only for the first month. Let me tell you that. It's only for the first month, so keep that in mind. But Apex is for lifetime. So that was the commercial. Thank you for listening. And we're waiting, guys. What can I say? We're just waiting. And if you want to join my Discord, it's $10 for a month. You can do that as well. I'm going to be upgrading my Discord this weekend. So check it all out and grab your discounts. I'll be here tomorrow as well in the London session. So Hey Pablo, TP. I don't have I don't have a trade on actually, so I'm not in a trade. I'm flat. We were having some levels outlined here at 414, right here. So this level has been taken out. We have a buy side at 514, but I'm not sure if we're gonna go there. But relative equal highs at 514, so we might. I don't know, maybe, who knows. But just gonna have to wait. On the 1 hour we have bearish order block, so if you're long you can go for 52.87, or on NQ you can try to go for the highs above 500. It's up to you. So no TP because I'm flat. Actually, I have to check if I have some orders left on. I'm flat. All right. No orders. No orders and no positions, which is great. At this point, it's just almost pretty much useless to do anything until power starts talking. All right, guys. As much as I like being here, I think nothing is going to happen. So yeah, I understand. Yeah, no problem, Pablo, and welcome to the stream. I'll be here in London session tomorrow, and so I think that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. This was a great day, actually. We got one more funded account, and yeah, Pablo is going to mess up the market. I think we can expect some volatility in the PM session, so watch out for that, and see you guys in London tomorrow next time. And thanks again. Grab your discounts. We have some good sales going on. Thank you so much, and have a great morning or evening. See you guys.